Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen and welcome to my channel. So as you know, chicken breast is one of the healthier cuts of meat, but a lot of people shy away from it because it can dry out very quickly. So today's recipe is going to be a barbecue chicken breast that you do in the oven. That's going to be nice and brown on the outside and nice and juicy and tender on the inside. So stay tuned. So what I have here are 3 chicken breasts. So I have added organic no salt seasoning. It doesn't need salt because the barbecue sauce is going to have enough salt to take care of that flavor. So I just sprinkled some of this organic no salt seasoning because I don't like to cook with a lot of salt at all. And you can get this from Costco. It's actually a Kirkland brand seasoning. I'm also going to sprinkle some cayenne pepper. I like that flavor better than black pepper. It's a little smokier and it adds a lot of flavor. So this is just Clubhouse cayenne pepper. And I'm also going to sprinkle some oregano. I love the flavor of oregano. So we're just gonna mix all of that up. So once you have that nicely mixed up, you're going to go and heat up your frying pan. So there you have it, a quick and easy chicken breast barbecue recipe. And what you can do with the chicken breast as well is you can slice it up and put it in sandwiches. So until next time, this is Jackie saying happy cooking.